our scenario is all about the how the process or the workflow of the Comelec of the LGU Comelec. So we will conduct an observation interview about this. So, good morning, sir. We would like to ask you if who is the in charge here in LGU Comelec?
Mr. Lorenzo, please come in. Sir, you have a ticket, sir. The students of data and campus. You call, please.
Here's our papers to. Here is that is our letter from our school and is already signed by our professor to conduct an observation.
May I read first? Okay, sure. It's only 18.
Now we have also this.
Ayaw!
Oh. So for this scene is we will conduct an interview for the LGU Comelec. So Kina? So can we ask if who is also the in charge of your department?
Mr. The in charge here is Mr. Lorenzo. Please come in.
Thank you, sir. I'm here to interview. We have this letter, this approval letter. It is already signed by our professor. So we would like to conduct an interview about your department.
Sure. Please have a seat.
So we're very sorry for taking your time, sir. So,
It's okay. No worries.
so our first we would like to ask is what are the challenges you encounter in your work or here in your department?
Well, based on that question, there's a lot of challenges or that we face here in during our work, especially when there's a clients, then pwede naman. Especially pag merong clients na gustong mag-register, then tapos meron kaming kailangan na requirement sa kanya tapos hindi niya mabigay. So, one of the problem na yan, challenges na aming na-encounter here in our
Lack of requirements of
the clients.
So the second question, sir, is how do you organize all your work, especially with so many papers? Do you have a specific system you use to make your work faster, sir?
Mm, for us, we don't have a system yet, but we just, manual labor lang kami dito. But it's takes a lot of time dahil nag-input kami ng mga data or information ng mga clients namin through computer only. That's why
So wala po kayong yung specific na system na
wala pa sa
um, yung madali lang gamitin, hindi po yung maghintay pa yung clients kung kailangan sila. For example, for their registration, kung na-register na sila.
wala pa eh. Pero we just do our best para mapadali yung
So, like,
what
what are you want to improve in your work or in your department? What do you like to contribute?
Well, for me, gusto ko lang na ano na sana makagawa na kami ng mga system para mapadali yung gawain namin dito.
Thank you for taking up your and answering our questions, sir. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you too to both of you.